Hello and welcome again. So I was just filming a video for a box template that I've made, and in the middle of the tutorial the postman knocked on my door. So I was very excited to find that he delivered my Stampin Cut Emboss machine, so I thought I'd do an unboxing with you. So I've taken it out of the box because I can't fit the box underneath my camera here, so it all comes in plastic and it was wrapped really well. I'll just tilt this to the side, get the plastic off. Take this out. It's lovely. I think I love the colour, the style, and you've got the logo on the side. You've got rubber feet, so non-slip feet, which is good, and this handle is quite comfortable. So you've got this piece which when you, where is it, the handle will go in here, so I'll turn it around, and you've got some little Allen key. Don't lose these pieces, whatever you do. Okay, I'll put them here. So I suppose you've got your little washer. That in there, then you're going to grab, I will turn this to the side, hopefully you can see that, there we go. So you've got a circular but with a flat edge here. And as you can see on here, you need to match that up with there. So let's see. Oh, look at that. First go. Put that together there. And round we go. Don't over tighten this, so just do it till it's tight, and then this piece goes in here just to make it nice and tidy, and then you can just pull this piece back out. If you need to take the handle off, if you're traveling somewhere and you've got a really tight space and that handle is in your way. And there we go. Let me just zoom back out. There we go. So you will open it along the side. You've got, this is your platform. And it comes with your plates. And in here, again, instructions. I've had a big shot, so I kind of knew how to put this together. But if you've not had a die cutting machine before, always read the instructions. They're in you know, different languages, so you should be good to go. So we've got plates number 4, 2 3 plates, one 2 plate and one 1 plate. Oh, brand new plates. Who doesn't love that? If you've watched my video, you will see they're my current plates. Look, it's even got a crack in it. It's so well used. I'm talking my plates are a few years old. So this will tell you, sorry for the light, this will tell you what sandwiches and what this one is for. So do not use with embossing folders. So this is for die cutting. And then your base plate gives you your sandwiches as well. So that's 1, 2 and both 3 plates are to use with thin dies. 1 and 3, so not using 2. 1 and 3 are for standard embossing folders, and 1 and remove 3. So 1 and 4 are for the 3D embossing folders. And let me see if I can grab it. So this is the 3D embossing folder. It's like thick. Not as thick as some, but yeah, it's thick. You can tell. Where's my, there we go. So this is part of the greenery embossing folder. So there's 2 of these, and these are they also fit in the mini cut and emboss machine, which isn't available just yet, but you will see, hopefully you can see the difference. See how thick this one is, and this one is much thinner. So this is a regular embossing folder, and then, as I said, this is the 3D one. I can bend and move that quite easy. This one is not so bendable. It's flexible, but it's not very. So that's how to tell the difference between the normal embossing folder and a 3D. So, wow, I'm excited. I've got some more videos to shoot today, hopefully. Oh, it's nearly 2 p.m. Hopefully I might be able to get one more video done before I have to go and do school pickup. So I will introduce my cut and emboss machine then. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.